Honestly, choosing the right electric tufting gun isn't as easy as it sounds. A lot of machines look powerful at first, but in real use, they turn out to be slow, hard to control, or just not built to last. And if you're serious about rug making, picking the wrong one can easily waste both your time and money. So in this video, I'm showing you the top 5 best electric tufting guns, selected based on real performance, build quality, and overall value for money. Watch till the end and find out which machine might be the perfect fit for you. Let's get started. Item number 5, AK Tufting Gun 2-in-1 Brushless Tufting Machine. This one immediately feels different. It's not just another tufting gun. If you're serious about rug making, it honestly feels like a proper upgrade. It comes with a brushless motor, which runs smoother, quieter, and feels way more durable in long-term use. The 1000-6000 RPM speed control is actually useful. You can slow it down for detailed work or push it when you need speed. The digital display, front LED light, and improved anti-vibration system might sound small, but in real work sessions, they make a noticeable difference. Cut and loop performance feels more stable, and the grip is surprisingly comfortable even after long use. If you want something modern, efficient, and reliable, this one easily stands out in the list. Item number 4, Tufting Gun 2-in-1 Set. Electric Carpet Tufting Gun, Cut Pile and Loop Pile Model. Honestly, this one doesn't look like anything special at first. Simple, almost average. But once you start using it, it surprises you. It's a 2-in-1 cut and loop pile machine with a 5 to 40 stitches per second speed range. That flexibility really matters. You can work slow for detailed designs or speed it up when you need production. The pile height adjustment from 7 to 21 millimeters gives you enough freedom to experiment with different rug textures, which actually feels better than expected in real use. At around 1.4 kilograms, it's lightweight, so long working sessions don't feel tiring. The metal body is basic but solid enough for regular rug making. Not flashy, not perfect, but it performs better than you expect once you start working with it. Item number 3, Electric Carpet Weaving Machine Tufting Gun Cut Loop Pile. At first glance, this looks like a simple tufting machine, but on paper, it's more capable than it seems. It goes up to 2400 RPM, making rug work faster and more efficient. The 1 to 10 speed control gives flexibility for both detail work and fast production. The 7 to 21 millimeter adjustable pile height adds extra freedom for different rug styles. It also includes intelligent brake reset and motor protection, which quietly helps during longer sessions. Lightweight at 1.4 kilograms, but still feels solid enough for regular use. Not flashy, but it performs better than you'd expect at first look. Item number 2, AKV Brushless Tufting Gun 2-in-1 Cut and Loop Pile. This one instantly feels like a modern upgrade for tufting work. On paper, the AKV Brushless Tufting Gun is built for smooth control and serious creative output. The brushless motor running from 1000 to 6000 RPM gives flexible control, whether you're doing detailed designs or faster production work. What makes this interesting is the 300-2000 needle speed adjustment, which adds real creative freedom for different rug styles. It stands out because it handles both cut and loop pile in one machine. The solid 2.5 kilograms build gives a stable, controlled feel during use. Overall, it delivers a confident and professional performance feel for modern rug making. Item number 1, Lisi 2-in-1 Electric Tufting Gun Cut and Loop Pile. This looks like a very straightforward tool for getting into rug making, but it becomes surprisingly capable when you look closer at how it works. The 5 to 40 stitches per second speed range gives you solid control over your workflow. Whether you're going slow for detail work or pushing faster for output, it adjusts easily to your pace. The ability to handle both cut and loop pile in one machine really keeps the workflow smooth, with no need to switch tools in between designs. Its lightweight nylon body also gives an easy and comfortable handling feel, especially during longer creative sessions. Overall, it comes across as a simple-looking tool that actually delivers very practical performance in real use. Which of these tufting guns is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.